Quercetin squashes cancer cells early, and reduce cancer risk. Cancer can be stopped in its tracks, without the use of toxic, deadly chemicals. Yet, most conventionally educated physicians still remain shocked to discover the growing numbers of cancer care specialists, turning their attention to natural cancer prevention strategies. One of the most powerful cancer killers is a flavonoid known as quercetin. Quercetin is found in a number of fruits and vegetables, and its ability to fight disease on multiple fronts make it particularly effective as a cancer preventive compound. Research has shown that people with the highest intake of quercetin experience significantly lower risks of death from many of the major types of cancer, including lung, colon, gastric and other cancers, as well as reduced breast cancer risk. What's so special about quercetin? Cancer is second only to cardiovascular disease as a leading cause of death in the United States, while conventional cancer care tends to leave patients weak and vulnerable to the recurrence of cancerous growths and the development of new malignancies. That's because these treatments make use of dangerous chemicals and deadly radiation, which destroy immune function and increase the risk of premature death. Fortunately, quercetin offers a safer, natural approach to stopping the spread of cancer, seemingly before it even gets started. And, that's the point, good nutrition and a strong, healthy body is an unfriendly environment for cancer cell growth, revealing the power of quercetin. The key to quercetin benefits is that it works at the cellular level, interfering with the processes that transform healthy cells into malignant cancer cells. Quercetin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties protect precious cellular DNA from the dangerous mutations caused by cancer-inducing agents. Quercetin acts by freezing rapidly replicating cancer cells, trapping them in an early, non-productive phase of the cell reproduction cycle. This not only stops tumor growth, but also leads directly to cell death through a process known as apoptosis, the intrinsic programming healthy cells normally rely on to stop excessive reproduction. In addition, quercetin favorably curbs chemical signaling pathways that are abnormal in cancer cells. Quercetin is one of many powerful medicines derived from plant extracts. And, as we all know, plants contain so much potential for optimal human health, because they help us withstand a host of destructive forces, such as radiation, oxidative damage and chemical toxins that could be lethal, if ignored. Yet, plants consumed as foods and beverages transfer many of their protective benefits via flavonoids that are easily transferred to the human body. The science behind quercetin. A study of quercetin benefits on breast cancer cells, conducted by researchers in China, showed anti-tumor properties. Another study found that regular and frequent intake of quercetin-rich foods lowered the risk of lung cancer, with an even stronger effect among heavy smokers. Population studies have found that people with the highest levels of quercetin reduce the risk of lung cancer by 51% and 65% among smokers. Colon cancer risk can be decreased by 32% and gastric cancer reduced by 43% among those with the highest intake of quercetin. Quercetin is found in a wide variety of foods, from red onions and tomatoes to green tea and grape skins. Other significant sources of quercetin include fruits and vegetables, especially citrus fruits, onions, parsley, apples, sage, tea and red wine. Not that I would suggest drinking wine to prevent cancer. And, let's not forget, olive oil as well as dark cherries and dark berries are also known to be excellent sources of flavonoids, including quercetin. Bottom line, good nutrition, stress reduction techniques and healthy spiritual practices such as meditation and prayer can go a long way to living life cancer-free.